year open. It gives the kids more opportunities to come to the park, make new friends, and just enjoy themselves, really.
They've only had 2 days to do this, and look at when he's here. It's not good enough. The park is a disgrace, and when we was kids, talking a long time ago, everything was perfect. All that, you couldn't get in there to have a seat on the grass, let alone on the seats that's in there. It used to be jam-packed.
Whenever the school was open, it always marked the start of summer. My kids love coming down here. Now it's just a mess and an eyesore.
Raise money.
There's length for my hair. I shave my head to make funds to put this park back the way it should be.